Hello, I'm Khalid. Here in this video, we will go with day 5 exercises. We have two exercises. Let me start with you here with exercise 1. We have to check here the question and then I will go with the solution in front of you. So what is the question here? Write a C program to ask the user to enter his or her age. If the number is greater than or equal to 18, then the program will print eligible for driving license. This is the sentence what the program should print. Otherwise, the program will print none or not eligible for a driving license. Okay, so let me show you the model answer here. So how many variables do we have in our program? We have only the age. So age is integer, we can assume age is integer. Now I will ask user to enter his or her age. So print a message, please enter your age. \n semicolon. Then when the user type age, type the number, this number should be scanned or stored in each variable. So I will go with the scan if and then open here brackets. This age is integer, so here put the type of this variable and then scan it in the variable age. After that, you have to check if the age is greater than or equal 18. So you have to print, or the program should print on the screen that you are eligible for driving license. Otherwise, you are not. So for that, we will use if statement. So if age is greater than or equal 18. Okay, what we need to print you are eligible for what? For driving license. We finish with this if. So here else, what you want to print if you are not eligible for driving license. Okay, just add here \n, and don't forget the semicolon. Make sure that here main function is closed. Click on run. So please enter your age. For example, I will put here 30. You are eligible for driving license. If I put this time 12, you are not eligible for driving license. Okay, so now I save and I will go back to the exercises Let's go with exercise 2. So write a program to ask the user to enter his mark and then display the grade corresponding for the mark entered as as follows. So here, as you can see, we have more than one option. If the mark is between 0 and 50, the result will be fail. If between 51 and 60, it will be acceptable. Or 61 to 70, good, very good, excellent. Or let's take it also in another way. Failed. Here D B A, yes. So fail D minus, let's say, and then D B A. Okay, you can't do it in this way. Okay, so I will go to model solution. I will create a new model solution. Here again I have only one variable, which is mark. I have one variable, but I have more than one result. So integer mark, you can take it as float, for example, whatever, but I will use it as mark, okay, as integer. Okay, so here printf enter your mark, please. Then where I have to scan it in integer, with data type integer, where in mark. Now I have mark. I need to check this mark and then give a result. So here start with if statement. So if mark, okay, first mark is between 0 and 50. So what we can do it in this way, we can say equal, greater than or equal 0, and okay, do you remember this with Dr. Summer? So and mark, I have two conditions here in this if statement, and mark is less than or equal 50. Okay, here I want to print, for example, acceptable as in the question, or let's say here here not acceptable, or fail. Here fail, right? So here fail. This is the first result. I'll go to the second result. Here I have more than one option, more than two options. If I have two only, I will just say if else. But because I have more than one option, what I have to do, if and then else if, then else if, and then the last one should be else only. So you will start with if and you will close with else, and in between just use else if. Okay, so here else if mark greater than or equal, here no need for equal, right? 50. Or we can do it, yes, greater than or equal 51, let's say, and mark is less than or equal what here, 60. So what is the result here? Print. This is should be what acceptable. Okay, or let's say D minus. Yeah, the next result. Now \n semicolon. I will repeat here else if and print something. So I can take this copy, paste, and make the changes here. So here 51 to 60, here 61 to 70, and this time should be what? D, not D minus. Then I will go again with if else if, right? Copy, paste. Okay, so what is the next? 71 and tell with 80. This here will be the result C. So if mark is greater than or equal 71, okay, and this and mark less than 60, 80, the result will be C. Then here 81 to 90, okay, here what? B. Then what? 91 to 100, this time will be what? A. طيب, assume the user print something else, يعني print something in minus, or print something more than 100. So I want to add it here, and else we can print, for example, if the user put something in, not logical, incorrect, we don't have mark less than 0, right? And we don't have mark more than 100. So just you can type here invalid. Okay, let's see if there's any error. No errors. Okay, let's make sure that we have the correct result. Enter your mark, please. Okay, first I will try 30. 30 is fail. Okay, this time I will try 55. D minus, exactly. Let me try 66. D, exactly. Let me try 77. C, good. Let me try 88. B, perfect. Let me try 95. A, good. Let me try something like this. Okay, invalid. Okay, so save. I will save it for you. We have now the module answer. Okay, now we finish day 5. I hope you understand it and it's very easy for you. See you later. Thank you very much.